guys. Hope everyone's doing well. Cheers to everyone. Tonight I am drinking a raspberry wine. Come from the raspberries out of my yard. Turned out really well. It's 12.2 ABV. I bottled it in August, so it's tasting really nice. Few things been going on. I've been posting out a few videos if you guys have seen those. I haven't done a talk like this in a while, but trying to get back into the videos. Gonna post a lot more often for you guys. Tonight I'm going to take you around and show you some of the things that I have been up to, and then we'll talk about a few things that I have coming up. So without further ado, we'll go around and take a peek. Okay, so first off, for my birthday, my son gave me the last straw. I haven't been able to test it out yet, but we'll be testing that out and doing a video or two on that. As far as the kegerator, I had an empty keg. I just got it on the gas last week, so it's ready to drink. We've got this is a brown ale that I just kegged up. It's carbon up. It should be ready in another day or two. And this is a pineapple cider that I have on tap. Turned out really well. It was kind of an experiment me and my best friend did, and it turned out really well. So I'll definitely be doing that one again, and maybe we'll even do a video on it. And then this keg just kicked over the weekend, so I got an empty spot there. So I did go ahead and brew a beer this last weekend. I did a pale ale, and it's fermenting. I just started it yesterday. Also, I have been doing a lot of bottling. As you can see, I've got lots of wine that I've bottled up. We've got peach and we've got plum. We've got the raspberry that I'm drinking tonight. We've got plum peach here. We've got the berry bliss. We've also got grape out of my backyard. We've got huckleberry, another grape. We've got, this one's just a plum wine that I done. Then we've got a blushing monkey, which is a strawberry banana that I did. We've got crab apple, and this is the berry bliss. And then we've got a Concord grape. We've got another rack over here that's full of wine. This one is a Concord grape as well, and a raspberry, crab apple. And then in here we're totally full in here as well. Just kind of the same wines over and over. Got a cooler fridge here that's full of wine, as you can see. And then another rack, just wine all over the place. Been busy, got everything bottled and labeled, and so I've been kind of busy doing that. Kind of videos are kind of repetitive, but if you guys want me to do videos on labeling and things like that, just let me know, and I can certainly do videos on those when I've got batches ready. On into the brew room. This is the pale ale that I brewed yesterday. Pitched the yeast last night, and as you can see, it's bubbling away. So hopefully that'll be a good beer. Then just got a few things. Did some bottling of some beers. Got a few of them ready to go. And then this is going to be another experiment with that pineapple cider. Gonna try it again a different way and see which way works the best. Got me some stainless steel siphon tubes for my all-in-one wine pump. I plan on doing a video on this pretty soon. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. Plan on doing a video on that when I do some racking and stuff. And then projects in here we've got going on. Let's turn the light on for you. I've got a bunch of wine in here. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 gallons going. I've got 10 gallons of choke cherry there. And then I've got 10 gallons of Concord grape, those two there. This one's a fox grape, it's a white grape. So I figured I'd try that. It's got a batch of that going. This one is really cloudy. This one's going to take a long time to clear out. My bag that I had my fruit in kind of let some of the fruit into the wine, into the must. So it's going to take a while for that to clear. But that's an apricot wine. And then I've got another batch of the huckleberry going. So that'll be really good. And then I got a cider going on right here, just an apple cider. It's still fermenting away. We'll be bottling or kegging that pretty soon. And then back here we have got blueberry pomegranate going. So that's kind of a look at some of the wines that I've done. I have posted a couple videos of a couple that I did. And I do have video of the apricot wine. Just kind of trying to get it to a point where I can post a video on that. So all that's coming on. Then as you can see, I've got a whole freezer full of fruit in here. Got a couple white grape concentrates, but I've got grapes, I've got Concord grapes, I've got plums, I've got apricots, I've got raspberries, I've got crab apples, I've got cherries. So I'll be doing a lot more wines coming up. Let me know what you guys are interested in seeing, and I can certainly make videos of those things. Okay, so as you can see, we've been plenty busy here at Orem Wines. I'm all set up, ready to go now. Just trying to catch up on all the fruit I had before we moved and getting ready for this year's crop. So I have filmed a few videos, and there'll be, as you can see, there'll be plenty more coming out. Also, we are planning a trip. It's going to involve some wine and some wine tasting and a few things like that. I'm pretty excited about it. We're getting ready to go to Italy here in the next while, and so that'll be exciting, and I'll try and take lots of pictures and videos and post them for you guys to be able to see those when we get back. So yeah, that's way exciting, and pretty excited to go. Still in the planning stages, but it's exciting, and it's taken up a lot of time, but it'll all be worth it in the end. That's really about all I have for you guys right now. Like I said, if you have interest in a certain kind of wine or a certain video or whatever like that, go ahead and post it or write in the video section down below, and we'll definitely see what we can do on those. Be happy to answer any questions you guys have. Thanks for keeping me going while I was in the process of moving and things. I have posted a few videos here and there, but going to try and get a lot more steady with those. As you can tell, I've been posting them, trying to post every week now. I don't have a certain day that I'm going to post on. I was doing Wednesdays, you know, with Homebrew Wednesday and things like that, but sometimes work just gets too hectic and I have to wait till the weekend to film the video or whatever. So just watch for them. Make sure you subscribe and like the videos, and make sure you click on the bell so you get reminded when I do post a video. Like I said, it's going to be a lot more regular basis now. So I'm going to go and enjoy my wine and watch the end of the game, if there is much of a game tonight, and listen to my beer bubble away, and we'll see you guys real soon. And remember, there's always time for a glass of wine. Cheers.